Hello and welcome to This Week in Bitcoin. A lot of things happened this week. Let's not waste any time and get stuck in right away. News number one are gold related and central banking related news. And that is that the gold price has reached a new all-time high this week. This was mainly driven by the very positive comments by Jerome Powell a couple of weeks ago. He's very dovish, meaning he is more likely to cut rates in the September meeting than ever before. If you also watch all of the analysts speaking and everything in between, you do see that everyone is expecting a rate cut. And whenever we've seen rate cuts, especially investors will be allocating more towards, let's call them riskier assets. That includes things like the capital markets, tech stocks. And when we speak about tech stocks, for most normal investors, not Bitcoiners, they also take a look at Bitcoin. In the past, if gold has actually managed to rally, Bitcoin was lagging a little bit behind, but was also showing similar behaviors. And it remains to be seen if it's the same this time. Second news are in the hedge fund world, and that is that legendary investor Ray Dalio from Bridgewater Associates sees the increase in debt and the decrease in actually the store of value function in money as the main driver for Bitcoin adoption. Dalio has in the past been skeptic about Bitcoin. He did see it as an alternative, but he didn't really see a use case. And through the years now, he actually developed quite a firm stance. He obviously also sees gold and other commodities as a hedge against the increase in money supply and therefore also the increase in debt. And he sees a very particular play between stablecoins and fiat currencies where stablecoin issuers can actually use certain strategies to then buy treasury bills, which the Treasury in the US especially also encourages, and therefore sees a potential use case there. However, Dalio also says the more that money gets debased, the more likely it is that people look for alternative. And according to his statements, he sees Bitcoin as one of the better alternatives there. Remains to be seen if Dalio is right. However, seeing that Bitcoin has now also entered the hedge fund space, and this is the best performing hedge fund out there, we can definitely say that Bitcoin has found a firm footing in the institutional world. And last but definitely not least, we also have some internal news, and that is that we actually won the FinTech Award in the top 100 Swiss startups. In the past, we've come very close to this, and thanks to your rigorous help in the public vote, we've now managed to win this award. Everyone in the team is very happy. We were very much looking forward to this. And we will not stop there. We will work continuously hard to actually get more awards and in the future celebrate more. And with that, we're at the end of This Week in Bitcoin. You know the drill. If you got questions, feedback, or just want to say hello, leave me a comment below. And I look forward to seeing you next week again.